In C Block Community Center, there are a lot number of Vilayati kicker, which are known as Sububul as well. They are being coming up of their own because during the April-May season, these trees, they produce lot of seeds and they germinate without giving any water, and they progress without taking any care. But since they grow up onto the soil itself without any sort of depth in the soil, so these trees, once they are grown up, they get uprooted during the rainy season. These trees have come of their own, and you can see they have gone very high and are spread all over. These trees, they keep on falling. Here is another tree which is fallen and which is coming on to the trees on the surrounding area, and this need to be removed. This is how these trees, they behave. All these roots are spread over only just on the soil itself. They do not have any chance of going down too much. Moreover, this is true so far as the soil which is there on the rocky lands. You can see this is another tree which is long and solid tree, but this is also bending and this may fall any time. There are so many other trees which are coming up and which have the chances to get uprooted because of the rains and the soil becoming too soft. Here is a tree. You can see that this is again falling down. This is again bent. It's such a big tree, but this will fall. All these trees, you can see another tree which is bent. You can see another tree which is bent like this. You can see another tree which is also likely to fall. You can see this other tree. There is another tree which is going in this way, and another tree going this way. All these trees, they get rooted itself or remove them. These trees, since they come of their own, where not much soil or water is required, they are spread all over the soil, and at the same time there are multiple roots are there. These trees are very dangerous. These trees take up lot of water. The roots of these trees take lot of water. You can see that they have spurious growth, and all this after all need to have lot of water to grow. The already government of Delhi has already proposed that these trees should be made to fall slowly and other trees need to grow. And in a way, so Delhi government is concerned, these trees are banned, but at the same time nobody takes it seriously. I have had a talk with the MCD officials, and they say that they do not know any orders where these trees should not come up. But at the same time, Green Tribunal, National Green Tribunal has also put in the direction that these Vilayati kicker trees should not be grown. Bombay or Maharashtra probably also banned these trees. The government of Delhi, the central government, the municipal corporation of Delhi may please take the action so that these trees do not grow anymore.